Hi everyone. Today is June 30 and it means cash out time. This would be actually my seventh cash out and the highest so far. So in my balance, you can see the breakdowns here. I hide the other information for protection or because I don't want to. So it says here I have $1,529.93 ready to cash out. So in order for me to cash out, I would select PayPal, and then if you scroll down, you can see there you can fill up your email address and all the information. Okay, that's it. I submitted the form, and then it says here you're currently spending $157 per day on your active ads and are being funded by your Funbox Bank. So if you cash out $1,526.63 today, your Funbox Bank balance will be down to 0.00. This means that your ads may stop running in less than 0 days due to insufficient funds. But I would check here. That's okay. Let me cash out 1,526.63. And then click submit. After submit button, it says congratulations on your success. So you may enter here what you want to tell to the community. So thank you very much, Funbox and Funbox members. There you go. After submitting all the required forms for cash out request, I have used for this month 132.01 IPL that I have to pay before cashing out. So here's my cash out pending request. Good luck everyone. So those who are still doubting that Funbox is a scam, you better to think twice. Good luck everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.